everyone, Bonnie English here. Well, the first Saturday of May is famous for World Naked Gardening Day. So I thought, I've got to join in on that one. What's it all about? Well, people are encouraged all over the world to get into their gardens with no or very little clothes on and get at one with nature. Sounds like fun, hey? My problem is I've got to try and stay within YouTube community guidelines. Wish me luck. Didn't manage it last year. First up, a bit of raking. Let's go. So I have beautiful jarrah trees in my garden, but one problem, the black cockatoos that live up there love to strip the leaves. Well, I suppose that's kind of nature's way of pruning, but it gives me a huge job to do. I used to have a terrier that scared off the black cockatoos, or at least tried to. I think maybe now I need to try and scare them off somehow. Can you think how? I have an idea. Go away, black cockies! Leave my trees alone! Oh. So, going to have a bonfire later, I think. Now, so at this time of year, I'm allowed to burn only 1 cubic metre of garden waste at a time. The size of my garden, that's going to take a while. Right, I'm going to quickly dump my load and go back for some more. Well, I'm very lucky today because it's a really hot day, so great day for naked gardening. I better start getting some clothes off. Gloves. 2 naked hands. Okay, top needs to come off too. The great thing about gardening in a Mediterranean climate is being able to grow citrus. And I'm really proud of my lemons. I think once they're ripe, they're going to be really lovely and juicy. Some of them are ripe already. Great for a gin and tonic later on. Yay! This lemon tree also needs pruning. There's a bit of a story behind this one. I used to have a Jack Russell a few years ago and he was the laziest dog in the world. Unfortunately, he died a couple of years ago, so I buried him under here and then planted a tree on top. He's being lazy now too. He's hardly growing any lemons, unlike the other trees in my garden. Great. The tree takes after my dog. Lazy tree, lazy dog. There's only 1 lemon here, I think. Right, who's first? Oh, I've got a couple of lovely olives from the tree behind me, but it's overhanging the path a little bit, so I'm going to have to prune a few branches off. I feel a bit cruel doing this. Well, that seemed to work. Well, don't worry, I'm not a complete chainsaw psycho. I only cut the small wood that displeases me. Call me Bonnie Bobbit. Oh, there's a little bit more bush than I can handle. Could you handle this amount of bush? Well, that's opened the path up a little bit. Hopefully now you'll grow up taller and straighter. Well, it might be hard to believe, but it gets quite chilly at night here in Australia. So at the end of the summer season, I take my seasoned logs and stack them, ready for winter. So it's obviously really important I have enough wood to see me through the winter. That's not nearly enough. Time to get some more. Always worries me ferreting around in the wood in case I come across a snake, but hopefully they're all feeling a bit sleepy. Oh, I'm exhausted. I think this is probably my 10th load today. So, what do you think of these? No, these. I've got this beautiful protea bush in my garden which isn't native to Australia, it's actually South African. It reminds me of an old boyfriend I used to have. Big, gorgeous, and like to take over everything. Sadly, it didn't end well, but I can get my revenge on him. Snip, snip. Now to satisfy my destructive streak, let's do some shredding. Well, once I've finished cutting off and shredding my excess, I can dispose of them in the garden. No one will ever know. So some of the wood in my garden is a little bit too hard to handle. So I've enlisted the help of Cockatoo here. I've been tugging at this for ages without the help of my Suzuki Jimny. Okay, let's see if I can get this beast out. Take it steady. Try not to ride the clutch. Aha! I heard a crunch. Well, this pot in my garden is looking a little bit bare, so I'm going to plant a miniature lemon tree in it. But obviously I've got to do it with love and attention. So, here goes the lemon tree. I hope you appreciate this. First to dig a nice big hole for it to sit in. And pop her in. Oh, trimming my bush is exhausting work. It's time to call it a day. I hope you enjoyed my little naked gardening video. If you did, I'm Bonnie English. Please like and subscribe.